Intelligent 3D model-based design software and cloud-connected tools are at the center of BIM workflows. These tools give civil engineering professionals greater insights throughout the infrastructure project lifecycle. With an intelligent model, design alternatives can easily be examined, leading to better decisions. In the case of bridge projects, engineers and designers can take the lead and work directly with the model to define the bridge components. Structural engineers can use the final design model to analyze the girders of the superstructure and other bridge structural design in greater detail. Then, the completed model can be used to create detailed documentation for review, bidding, and construction of the bridge and related roadways. For land development and roads and highways projects, BIM can help surveyors capture existing conditions with greater accuracy in hours versus days. Engineers can more easily use that context model in their designs to minimize errors and improve the quality of their designs, promoting greater efficiencies and increased productivity. Advanced model-based technologies and connected workflows allow civil engineers and designers to more easily collaborate across disciplines to better optimize designs, resulting in inspired workflows for civil engineering design.